Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, the channel that helps you to fix your home appliances all by yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the E07 error or the E7 error code on a Beko washing machine. This E07 code or the E7 error will mean that your washing machine empties water every time you try to start it up, or your washing machine doesn't start a cycle at all. This could be caused by a faulty pressure switch. This is a fix luckily that you can do at home or by yourself, but with the help of eSpares. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell or leave us a like too. This can help us make more and more videos for appliance fixing for you. And you never know when you're going to need eSpares. Also, let us know in the comments how you got on with the repair. For this repair, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. Now it's time to remove your top panel by removing the two screws at the top with your Torx T20 screwdriver. With the screws now removed, you can go ahead, lift the top panel and place it to one side. You will see on this machine that the pressure switch is located here, attached to the main PCB housing on the left of the machine if you're looking at it from the rear. Now it's time to remove the electrical connection from off the pressure switch. Lift up the tab and pull the connection off. To remove the pressure switch, there will be the end of the pressure switch which is pushed through the side where the mains cable is situated. All you need to do is to push through this side and ease it out on the other side at the same time. This will lead the pressure switch to be released from the cabinet. Now remove the pressure hose from off the pressure switch. With the pressure switch released, you can try blowing into the pipe to see if the pipe was blocked, which could be a cause instead of the actual switch being faulty. If you hear water bubbling when you blow, this means that the hose is clear and fine. If you blow and you don't hear anything and are also feeling resistance, then this means the hose is blocked. If this is the case, you will need to replace the hose instead of the pressure switch. Providing your hose was fine, it now means that your pressure switch is faulty. But before buying your new pressure switch, you need to know the model number for your washing machine. This is so that you can get the correct part for your make and model of washing machine. Now, if you're not sure what your model number is or where to find it, don't worry. Check out our video on finding the model number for your washing machine here. Now fit the pressure hose into the new pressure switch. Place the pressure switch into position in the cabinet, into the side of the main PCB housing, and then reconnect your electrical connection. To put your top panel back on, place it in and under, lift it slightly up, and then place it down. Finally, refit your two screws at the top with your Torx T20 screwdriver to secure them in place. And there you have it, how to fix the E07 error or the E7 error codes on a Beko washing machine. This should have solved why your Beko washing machine empties water or doesn't start a cycle at all. Hopefully your appliance is working again once more. Now that you've solved this problem, why not learn about all other possible Beko washing machine error codes, just in case you get another error code in the future. Check out our playlist on Beko washing machine error codes for all you need to know. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our eSpares channel and like the video if it helped you. Thanks for watching.